Question 1. 13 is the number dash. Guess the correct answer. 11, 12, 13, 14.
The right answer is 13. 13 is the number 13. Question 2. 17 is dash, then 20. Pick a right answer. More. Less. Same. Right choice is less. 17 is less than 20. Question 3. 15 is dash, then 11. Choose an answer. More. Less. Same. The correct answer is more. 15 is more than 11.
Next one is he dash a boy. Guess the correct answer. Am is are.
Right choice is he is a boy. There you go. My brother is a dash. Choose an answer. Boy. Girl.
Correct option is boy. My brother is a boy. Question 6. My daughter is a dash. Here are the options. Boy, girl,
correct option is girl. My daughter is a girl.
Question 7. The son of Emma is dash. Choose an answer. My son. Her son. His son.
The right answer is her son. The son of Emma is her son. Keep moving. The wife of Jose is dash. Here are the options. My wife. Her wife. His wife. Right choice is his wife. The wife of Jose is his wife.
Question 9. I'm a dash. Pick a right answer. Singapore. Company. Student. Restaurant. The correct answer is student. I'm a student. Question 10. I dash apple. Options are AM. Work in A. Work for.
The right answer is work for. I work for Apple. Question 11. I dash hospital. Options are AM. Work in A. Work for.
The correct answer is work in A. I work in a hospital.
Question 12. Dash is not a place. Guess the correct answer. Shop. School. Cafe. Waiter.
The right answer is waiter. Waiter is not a place.
Question 13. I dash 3 sisters. Guess the correct answer. Have. Has. Live. Lives.
Correct option is have. I have 3 sisters.
Question 14. She dash in London. Pick a right answer. Have. Has. Live. Lives. Correct option is lives. She lives in London. Question 15. My brother dash 4 children. Here are the options. Have. Has. Live. Lives.
The correct answer is has. My brother has 4 children.
Question 16. The missing letter in mobile phone is dash. Guess the correct answer. A. E. I. O. Correct option is I. The missing letter in mobile phone is I. Question 17. The missing letter in cmpany is dash. Here are the options. A. E. I. O. Correct option is O. The missing letter in cmpany is O.
Question 18. We have a car. It is dash. Pick a right answer. My car. Your car. Our car. Their car. The correct answer is our car. We have a car. It is our car.
Keep moving. They have a big house. It is dash. Choose an answer. My house. Your house. Our house. Their house. The correct answer is their house. They have a big house. It is their house. Question 20. Stephen dash in a small company. Here are the options. Work. Works. The correct answer is works. Stephen works in a small company.